Hello. So I just went and checked out the Manitou, I don't know how you say it, cliff dwellings. It's basically like the Native Americans that used to be in this area, like how they lived. Pretty cool looking, but very small, not a whole lot to do. So now I'm gonna go to Cave of the Winds, I think that's what it's called. It's pretty nearby. I figured today I have a day off, might as well like do these touristy things while I can. So I went on a little adventure today and I just got back. I took a cave tour, which was really cool. And then after that, I was just like driving around, and I think the place I went to was like Manitou Springs. It's like a small town with a lot of like gift shops and stuff like that. Very like spontaneous. Like I had no plan of like what I was gonna do today. And I was like, oh, just like looking on Google Maps, like, oh, where should I go next? That's it for now. Hello, today is Saturday and today I'm going on my very first hike in Colorado Springs. I am doing the St. Mary's waterfall hike. So as it turns out, that was not actually a trail. And no one really knows what St. Mary's waterfall trail is, so I decided to just do the Seven Bridges trail, which is like the main one that everyone's doing. So yeah, a bit of a change of plans there. Holy crap, guys, it is so icy and slushy. Like there's just like snow covering the trail and it becomes like really slippery. And I was like stuck there, and luckily like this really nice mom and daughter came by and helped me, and they like told me like how to maneuver this. But holy crap, I definitely almost fell multiple times. This is what I mean by it's super slippery. It's like this whole stretch is like that too, so definitely almost slipped a couple of times earlier. Thank God my sister got me hiking boots for my birthday, because this would have been impossible otherwise. So I am in a bit of a pickle here. Look at this fucking trail, guys. It's like, I don't even know where the trail is. It's like, it does not look very stable or secure. And as we have established, I am terrified of heights. I'm very scared of falling because it's pretty precarious. And I don't even know where like the trail ends or where the top is. So I might go up a little more and see if there's like if it gets any better, but if not, I might just turn back because I'm not trying to fall and die or break any bones. Alright, well, I just finished my hike. I was just talking to these two guys that came from Denver, and they also had no idea what hike they were doing because there's no signs anywhere. It was pretty long. It's been like 3 hours now. I'm pretty tired. There was a lot of elevation, so I'm just gonna go home and shower first and then figure out what to do next. We went and got some donuts from Amy's Donuts. We got it got squished. But this one is it's modeled after a Mound Bar. I love coconut, so I'm really excited about that one. And then this one is a glazed bar. And then they have these like jelly machines, and they just squirt in whichever one you want. So I got raspberry jelly. So I'm gonna try these out now. Okay, I'm gonna try the coconut one first because I love coconut and it looks really good. Mmm. Oh, it's got like marshmallow fluff on top. It's pretty good. All right, now we're gonna try this glazed bar that's filled with raspberry jelly. Pretty good. Like a classic jelly donut. Yeah, not bad. Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday. I am doing a hike around the Red Rock Canyon, open canyon area, something like that. Check it out. Red rocks. Makes sense. So it appears we have gone the wrong way yet again. The trail ends here, and I have to climb down this rock to get down to the trail over there. I don't even know if this is the right trail, honestly. Probably just gonna turn back. Yeah. Oh, I see people. I think I am definitely on the wrong trail then. Alright, headed back up. God damn it. So I went the wrong way, but I found this giant rock and it has a really cool view. Look at that. It's like pretty high up. Pretty cool. So I just finished my hike here at Red Rock Canyon. I ended up just going on a bunch of different trails. Apple Health says I did about 5.2 miles, 13,500 steps. Today's hike wasn't as fun or cool or exciting as yesterday's. I definitely preferred yesterday's hike because that like environment is very different from California, but it was still pretty fun because I kind of just like, it was kind of like a playground for me. Like there's a lot of big rocks, so every time I saw a big rock I try to climb it, so that was kind of fun. I think I'm gonna go try to do more like mountainous hikes for the next couple weekends, but yeah, it was pretty fun still. So today's Easter and I forgot that it was, and I tried to go to 3 different places to get food and they were all closed and I was so sad. But I ordered some barbecue. It's called Famous Dave's. It took like an hour to get here, but finally it has arrived and I'm so excited to eat it. So we got some beef brisket and chopped pork, coleslaw and some beans, and then they also gave some barbecue sauce. Yum. I just finished eating. The Famous Dave's barbecue was really good. It's a little smaller portion than I expected, but it was like fire. If you're ever in the area, would recommend trying it out. It's pretty good. I also just ordered the thing that goes under the door handle. It's like adjustable, so that way you can't open it. Thank you, Nicole, for the recommendation. It just came today, so I'm very happy to use that. So, yay!